Need I say more? Can't wait to play this. And I already downloaded all the mods. All of them. Let's hope that they don't conflict with like base gameplay. Let's hope that we have to turn them on and off separately. This is gonna be awesome. It's loading up so slow. No wonder people load them before they start recording. Oh, it might be the 8 mods that I downloaded. Oh yeah. Hey. Pumpkin cake. Delicious. There's Throne, there's Endless, there's Chase, of course. Join their Discord if you want. And there's Tutorial, which I'm going to be playing. I don't care what you have to say, Bishop. Praetor, those look absurd and white. Sorry, I feel we are too valuable for this. Please, let us get back into that fortress. Yes, let's. I got an idea on how to remedy this increasingly. Also, is this loud? Might be a bit too loud. I'm gonna lower that. For the White Bishop, get into the castle. And, there it is. My shotgun. So far, exactly how it is on Switch. Little rookie, come over here, or else you're gonna. You'll just, must you force me reload? Did I or did I not tell you to be quiet? You can. Oh, this is much better than the Switch. On the Switch, you couldn't. Yeah, on the Switch, you couldn't see the information unless you were right against the pieces. Yes, wait, I gotta look in the settings real quick. HD text, no full screen, no. Alright, let's hope. Oh. Oh, come on. dare you. Oh, okay. Ooh, secret air or ooh. Bishops and knights. Replace orcs, bishops, and knights with a pawn after they die. Nah, I don't think I can do that, right? Leave me alone! Characters on the item board. Blade. What blade? Give me blade. Oh, come on. Did I not tell him the... This... Oh, come on. There's a way I can kill it from here. There's no way I can kill that from here either. Oh, hold on. Didn't I... Yeah, that's... Again, no. I'm gonna see if I can... The options. Screen shake, yeah. CRT. What type of CRT are you doing with this? Looks awesome. But nah. I wonder how I, Well, I'm gonna just do this. So click to fire all loaded shells. Nice one. Oh, okay, yeah. Remove 2 pawns, add a bishop, double fire arc from 1 bullet, or a lot of ammo, but to get stronger and faster. If I were to get a lot of ammo, that could help in the future, but never mind. I'm not gonna justify that. Can you two just leave me alone for 5 minutes? You're next. You. Got it. Theocracy. I love Theocracy. It's better than Castling, so I'm gonna do Theocracy. Even though jumping would have been funnier, theocracy is good. It's not good for you, because it's kind of a bad thing. Oh, never mind, I didn't get that. I'm gonna stay here. Here I can do that, and then that. But now I'm in trouble again. There I'm dead, there I'm dead. Here, and here I am safe, but here's terrible, and here is good. No, you're not in this episode. You're not in this episode. You are gonna get sued for, I don't know, but leave me alone. Yeah, this is good. Even though the other one would have been fine. This one's very fun. Leave me alone. Leave. I wonder. I mean, I'm dead here. No, I'm not, but I'd rather not be here because then the night could go. Well, yeah, but then the queen's gonna get here in a few seconds. Rook is about to move. For her to move there. Danger, danger. 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 Safe. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Can you leave me alone? How much? Alright, I got this. Good enough. Okay. That was safe. Completely safe. Don't you dare run away. Oh no. So it's either more bishops or healing bishops, and they're more HP. Dang it. Here. Where does that happen if I were to go here? And then remove theocracy. Oh. Okay, alright. So yeah, that happened. Alright, so they're danger. You're safe. I would to not be there. It's dangerous. Here's danger, danger. Danger. Here. Could go here. No. Here. Oh yeah. Oh come on, why is it so wide? I don't want it to be wide. I want it to be reasonable nature. do 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 do. I am about to die, so leave me alone. You're dead. You're dead. Here, I'm dead. Here, I mean, it's not good. Here, dead, dead. Here, safe. And here, safe. Here. No. They're dead. So here I'm dead, and so is there. So only safe place to go is here or here, and I see nothing wrong with this. You got 2, and I got 5. Okay, you're gonna. Okay, you're gone. Yes. No. Here, I want to get rid of this rook. And that was cool how Theocracy. That was useless. That was terrible. Why did I do that? Why did I cancel out Theocracy? Now I have to get rid of all of them. Okay, Black Mist. Alright. What did that say? Bishop Souls can't be. I would have thought twice. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Move there, there, and then there. But these things move so fast. Pawns have such a long waiting time, and knights are not that fast. You there? Alright, hold on. Here, die. Here, I'm dead. Here, I'm also dead. Here, I'm dead. Oh. There. Here, I'm dead too. For 2 reasons. Well, I'm gonna just try. Oh, yeah. You. No. Dang it. Oh yeah, Black Mist. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna resign. Oh no. That would have been terrible. I would have been like, oh no, I have Black Mist. Why did I do that? Alright. 5. It's a huge chance that if I were to do this, I just miss and hit the 2 knights. Here I'm dead. There I'm dead. Here I'm alive? No, I'm dead. Here I'm dead. Dead. And dead. Dead? Yes, dead. Alright, so I have to use this. So here I'm... Well, I'm dead. Here I'm dead. Alright, and here I'm dead. Here I'm dead. Here I'm... Sorry, it's taking me such a long time to think. I'm thinking. I'm gonna be alive here. And here. Here I'm gonna be alive. Here I'm also gonna be alive. And here. So I might as well... Oh, never mind. Oh, okay. Rook, 5. Alright. Dang it! Alright. Try again. No. I like this. This is so good. The thing. Codex. Achievements. Have 3 magic wands. Nope. Kill the Black Bishop. Kill the Black Bishop? What? Whoa, 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 hold on. Kill the White King, kill the Black Bishop. No. No, that was a huge spoiler. No. Exorcist, kill the Red Book. Kill the Red Book? What? Is that Korean? Finish a floor by turn 6. Finish a floor without killing any non-leader piece. A velvet glove. Oh, you're talking about the pieces in the backlines, right? Incarnate. Okay, that's fun. Oh, that's fun too. Kill an Iron Queen. How it should be. I got this achievement on Switch. She is everywhere. Oh, that's awesome. What? Grab the queen and carry her to the square you start the round. What? Have 6+ rooks on the board at one time. On pressure ammo, have a firepower equal to 1. That's sad. Have 20 ammo. Strangely, I don't have that. Beat throne mode without using a folly shield. Less than 2 minutes. What? Beat throne without laying a pawn promote. Oh, that's cool. Make a rook save the flanking. Get eaten by the White King. Delicious. This is fun. Win with the Moat, Wand of Gust, and August Presence. Doo-doo. How do I do mods? Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Is it chase? No. Endless. Doo. Oh, I like the shotgun. Hold on. Alright. The shotgun's fun. It's normal. It's vanilla. But I really like it. Sawed off justice. It's illegal to saw off the barrel of a shotgun. Shotgun roulette. Oh, I remember that game. It's an awesome game. Yeah, I guess it's fun. Move up to 3 squares in any direction. Alright, here we go. Good enough. Do-do-do. Every 10 turns. That was a terrible mistake. Oh. Dang, I just... Oh, here you go. Uh, so many. Oh, with that. Oh, no! No, I'm done for today. I'm just done. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Alright, goodbye.